This is the Autozam AZ1 and today we're breaking hearts at Santa Pod Raceway.
I can't wait to hear what Chiro just said.
So this is our 1994 Autozam AZ1. It's a Mazda, and this one is extra special because we're told it's a Mazda Speed. So in 1994-95, when they couldn't sell them on the forecourt to Japan anymore, they sent them back to the factory, back to the dealers, and they upgraded them. So it's got Mazda Speed coilovers, it's got Mazda Speed bumper, Mazda Speed bonnet, Mazda Speed rear wing, Mazda Speed diffuser, and limited slip diff. It's got a sticker that says so. But what can I tell you more about this is the design, the look of it. When people stop and see it, they're like, what is it? RS200, Ferrari Testarossa, Ferrari F40, Skyline. Check it out, look. Skyline looks. It's a bit of everything. And DeLorean gull-wing doors. This is a K car, but for me it is a super K car, the king of the K cars. Only 4,000 ever made, and although they were never logged by Mazda, 200-ish Mazda speeds, so this is extra special. We're going to take it down the strip today. We're going to race against some challengers. Will it become the king of the pod? Stay tuned. Walking through the pits, who are we challenging? We've got this 993 RWB Dan Burkhouse. He'll be up for a challenge. Going to challenge the Santa Pod van. We've got our friends from Impulse, Bills, Nexon Tyre, of course, the only rubber that you can trust. Petrolheadonism World, Ice Blasters, who ice blasted the Autozam as part of its restoration. Got Nathan with the disco bus. Don't think we're going to get anywhere near that. We need to be sensible, but this little beast is going to be the king of the pod today. We are taking that on. KSI's challenge car from the Sidemen. This had 34 million views today. It's going to get millions of views losing. Not messing about with that because that's big power electric beetle. We don't like those. Calvin's hybrid M5. Got Escort Mark 1. Might as well take on that little Fiesta. The K car is a mighty 660cc 3-cylinder turbo. You hear the whoosh of that turbo. Another cool car in the pits is Hadz's STO Gumball Saigon to Singapore 2024. We've got Charlie Halford Sucks in his Jag, and we've also got our Pennings Renault 5 GT Turbo, which this has already won its race today against the classic. Oh, that's another one, the Mr. Bean Mini. We've got to race the Mr. Bean Mini, so that's two already. We're going to race the Unimog. David versus Goliath. David versus Goliath. It's all happening here at Santa Pod.
Here we go. Right, we're racing Chiro. Come on! Sounds good.
Racing? You mean we're leaving him behind?
Wow, so this is it. Autozam versus a VW Lupo. Rear wheel drive versus front wheel drive. How's this going to go down?
Window up. Oh, window up.
Oh.
He's about to go down.
Oh my god.
The Autozam had them! No! They don't realise the power of the 660cc tri-cylinder turbo!
No! I can't wait to hear what Chiro just said.
Yes, see ya! This revs, the rev counter goes to 11,000 revolutions. 11,000, it's nuts. This is JDM bonkers, madness, amazing. Thank you to Car Vertical who have sponsored this vehicle, and led to the purchase of this new build that's behind me that's coming up in our next video. Car Vertical, what is it? Well, simply, you wouldn't buy a house without doing a survey, so don't buy a car without doing a survey, a Car Vertical report. We need to find an MX-5 to build this, and what we did was we found one, we looked it up online, we looked at the description, not too much information there, spoke to the seller, again not too much information there, but when I ran the report, as you can see, it's checking loads of databases all over the world, and it gives me mileage looking good, matches up to what the car says it is. Financial legal status, there's no money outstanding on it, but damage needs attention. And if you go to the report here, it shows that it was categorized as C, repairable, but the repair exceeds the vehicle value. We knew that, but what we're using this MX-5 for is to strip it down to build the next build, an MX-5 kit car. So for what we need, it doesn't matter that the body was damaged. As you go through the Car Vertical report, fantastic, covers everything. Get your discount, 20% off with the word petrol. That's it, simply petrol, 20% off. Make sure you run a survey on the car you're buying, or if you bought one recently, just check it out, just so you can sleep at night. Right, so for this challenge, we're going up against the mighty Mr. Bean E-Mini, or Mini E. He's got a sofa on the top, and we've got Scoot in, so we've got a weight disadvantage as well. Let's close that door, Scoot. Get your gull wing door closed.
Oh, there we go.
Autozam versus E-Mini. Who's got the better horn? Nah. All right. He took us off the line. I wasn't watching. He jumped start. He cheated.
Round two.
Mr. Bean's Mini with a spoiler on the roof. He's got massive spoiler, extra downforce. That is what could beat us.
Oh, you're kidding me, 1 second.
Next race is the Citroen DS. So we've won one against the VW Lupo, we've lost one against the E-Mini, and now it's the Citroen DS. Time to go. Goodbye DS, that was an easy win. Easy win. Okay, who's up for it? Who wants it? Eventful time on the drag strip with the Autozam AZ1, and we just lost against the VW Caddy van, 2 litre diesel injection. Okay, expected really, but it was close. But I got the and I'm not taking on that. And then we won against the Fiat Panda 4x4 1.3 diesel multi-jet, pretty nippy car. We absolutely wiped the floor with the DS17, but now it's the David and Goliath moment. The Unimog, the beast from Anarchy Garage, versus the mighty Super K car, the AZ1, and this will be the conclusion of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow Petrolheadonism everywhere. We've got some awesome stuff happening in 25 and already in 2026. So much excitement around the brand and the people that we work with. So stay tuned for the big race, the finale, Unimog versus Autozam. So here it is. This is the big race. We're David and Goliath, Autozam Unimog, the big one, the culmination, conclusion, everything of today is on this. We're racing for pinks. Whoever wins takes home the other one.